So, the focus of this course will be to create value by making actionable recommendations based on data analysis to solve actual business issues. This means two things. First, we'll not focus on technicalities. There are a lot of data analytics libraries that can be used out of the box nowadays. And there is little added value for the manager to understand all the little gory details. One can use the default settings of a data analytics tool and make actionable recommendations. But that means that too, one needs to be able to understand what are the conclusions of the obtained results. What does a significant factor mean? If we see a pattern in the data, what can we do with it? Those are the type of questions we'll be focusing on, which means that we expect the participants to have a sufficient level in R programming for them to be able to produce meaningful results. We won't detail too much how the R libraries work or what can be done to tweak the parameters. Instead, we'll discuss which libraries can be used and how to interpret the resulting output. Note, however, that you will have the opportunity to rehearse and practice the different examples presented during the videos, thanks to the recitals at the end of each module. Those recitals will go over the R code in details. Then, after analyzing the data, if we want the recommendations to be impactful, they need to be adopted by the different stakeholders of the focal company or organization. Hence, we'll also discuss how to present data analytics results in a convincing and impactful way. This is too often overlooked. While if you want the many hours invested in your analysis to be fruitful, you want your conclusions to be understood and accepted. This relies on effective communication. That's why this course is articulated around 4 core skills development. 1. Analytics, in the strict sense. We want you to be able to produce relevant statistics. 2. To do so, you need IT skills. In this course, we'll focus on R, but our program goes way beyond the usage of a mere programming language. As explained before, what we want is really to focus on 3, the business. We'll cover many functional domains and relate our analysis to business issues and solutions. But for those solutions to be accepted by different stakeholders, you need 4 communication skills. You need to be able to express your complex ideas in simple terms and to adapt the right format to the right audience. Those are actually consulting skills. Later in this specialization, you will actually have the opportunity to be exposed to worldwide level expert consultants from Accenture. And we want you to be able to start your journey as a world-class business analytics consultant right now.